Hey, I can't see you without subscribing to my channel. I'm Squint. Today, I told myself to do a challenge for somebody out there with a budget of $250 to spend on keyboard and mods. $250 sounds like a lot, but it can go very quickly as well. So here's what I'm gonna do. I am only going to be using the KBD website to build this keyboard, and let's check out what I got from KDV fans for $250. In this box, I have a keyboard case, PCB, plate, switches, and keycaps for my main parts of the keyboard. I've also bought several different items to help my keyboard sound better, such as foams, and foams. Oh, have I mentioned foams? I can't do it. Okay, jokes aside, I seriously have never put this much foam before in a single keyboard. Oh, and this keyboard is supposed to be a low profile bottom case. Can you imagine all that foam getting shoved in there? I didn't think I could actually do it. But just wait for the result. This keyboard case is 60% aluminum low profile, priced at $35 at the time of the editing. There were different colors available, but it was more expensive than the cyan color. And this case came with an interesting feature. I guess you can call them a screw cap. You insert these little caps on where the PCB will be screwed into the case, which I would like to think of it as an impact observer. We'll see how it works out. Moving on to the PCB, I got a DZ60 south facing LED board. It's the same PCB that goes into the Tofu 60. I also opted for PCB foam as well. It was $10 add-on, but I've never tried one of these, so I thought I'll give it a try. Let's talk about the plate. When I saw this plate, I said, OMG, I must get this one. It's a carbon fiber plate. OMG, carbon fiber? The holy grail of the car enthusiast material? Yeah, I'm a car nerd. I'm sorry. It was listed for $19 on KBD fans website. My first impression is it's really light, just how I expected it to be. Does that mean the keyboard is going to sound lighter? Keep watching this video and you'll find out. I also got a plate form for another $10, just because why not? More foams? Better the sound, right? I'm going with tactile switches for this build. I purchased Novelkeys kailh blueberry switches. These are basically tactile version of Novelkeys cream switches. You can get them for $650 per 10 switches, which I would say is a medium budget switch. I like that it's a 5-pin for less wobble. Tactile point is surprisingly long. It almost felt like a linear key until the middle point of the pressing in. I have not owned one of these very long tactile bumps before, so it'll be interesting. And one more thing about these switches is that these are really scratchy. Probably one of the most scratched one I've owned so far. I know the linear cream is scratchy as well, but I feel like they could have done something better. I also lubed them with Thocc 205 grade 0. Stabilizers. Let's talk about them. I really didn't do much research into the ones I'm getting. It's a KBD fans... I don't know how to say it.
Die books.
Oh! Die books. Great to know. So they came with the step foams and the screw caps, which are pretty easy to apply onto the PCB. I wonder if they would be any better than the Band-Aid mod. I will be lubing the housing and the stems with the Thocc 250. The metal bar, I am lubing it with a 205 grade 2. These are thicker than the grade 0. The steps actually turned out pretty great. You'll hear it in the sound test, but I didn't expect this budget steps to work this well. Thumbs up for that die books. Alright, you've already been spoiled in the previous clip, but I'm adding P foam mod as well on top of the plate foam. My thought process is more foam equals to better sounds. Moving on to the case foam mod, I'm using the leftover memory foam I bought a while ago. I think the memory foam mod absorbs the bass, deeper, hollow sound really well. Some of you might consider that as a Thocc sound, but to me, I just want to get rid of the hollow sound. You might think this memory foam is really thick for this case, but they can squeeze into a super thin sheet, which is why I like them more than the shipping package foam mod. So far, the keyboard has a really nice feeling. It's heavy and solid. Let's move on to the keycaps. So I have a bit of a confession to make. Any keyboard enthusiast out there that does not read the description like me, take a note. I have made a small mistake. I'll tell you what happened in just a bit. So these are Daiso PBT material that's 1.4mm thick. Pretty solid keycaps for $37. I like them. I do prefer the double shot PBT keycaps though. So, it's a confession time. What the heck did I do with those keycaps? Why is the color mismatching, Squint? So, on the web description, it says that the compatible keyboards are DZ65 PCB. And mine's 60% board. I'm such an idiot for not looking so carefully. So, for now, I just have the Aqua Cherry profile keycaps on. No worries, right? I'll just change them later. I just feel bad for you guys because you guys are watching a keyboard video that's not complete yet. So I'm sorry. Putting that mistake in the past, overall the keyboard feels really great. I didn't think I would actually like the Novelkey Blueberries because it's just so scratchy. But even with that, I'm really enjoying it. They feel really great to type on. The stabs are actually fantastic on both bottom end and on top out. I'm sure those stab foams and screw caps are what's making it feel really great. So how much did I end up spending on this keyboard from KDV fams? The subtotal of $238.65. I am actually so happy with the result, and I've been using this keyboard for almost a week straight, which is pretty unusual for me. I switch around my keyboard a lot. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm gonna let you guys hear the sound test in just a bit. Honestly, this channel grew so fast. Before posting keyboard videos, I had 5 subscribers total. But now, I'm looking to get 100 subscribers, which is awesome. It's all because of your support out there, keyboard fans. Your enthusiasm towards my videos and contents are what's making me to do these videos. So, thank you guys so much. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button. And here comes the sound test.